What's wiggling, Warenoticers? It's your boy, Mr. CEO, Big Daddy Shay Mumma of this beautiful, awesome, fantastic technology YouTube channel that is Warenotice. And guys, today we're going to be unboxing this bad boy right here, this black box. Guess what's inside of it? If you can tell, there's a Razer logo right there. So yes, this is the Razer Phone 2. So without further ado, let's get to unboxing this bad boy. Warenotice on the baddest beat. Met a lot of people, but still don't know defeat. Running for the White House, but I am no athlete. Got Jordans on my feet and haters in retreat. Wait, I am the CEO. Competition robotic, call him C3PO. So now folks, here we are up close and personal with the Razer Phone 2 box, and hopefully now you can see that Razer logo right there a little bit better. As you can see, this box is not clearly marked. It's basically mostly just black. There's also a Razer logo right here if you guys can make that out. And yeah, there's also one right here. It says Razer. So without further ado, let's get to tearing the shrink wrap off this bad boy. So now anyway, let's just tear that shrink wrap right off this bad boy. Get it nice and naked. Come on, here it goes. And yeah, there. Now I think you can see the Razer logo even better, hopefully, folks. So yeah, just take this off. Bye-bye, shrink wrap. See you later, alligator. And now if we come over here to the back, you can see there's this little tab right here that we can pull on. And now, let's see. Hopefully this phone doesn't come flying out. But yeah, pulling quite hard and nothing's happening. Ooh. Wow, that's funny. You actually pull it this way. I was pulling it up, you pull it like that. So, wow, that's kind of nice. It feels like it's a magnetic flap right there. Wants to stay shut. That's pretty cool. Ooh, and we got a little letter. Let's see what this bad boy says. That's very cool. A signed note from the CEO of Razer. Very cool. Put this bad boy right here. Don't want to throw that away. Very nice. And, ooh, right here, there is the Razer Phone 2. So here we go. Oh yeah, look at that. Wow. This guy is pretty cool looking. And we can just peel that plastic right off. Oh yeah. And now let's put this bad boy to the side while we figure out what else is in the box. So right here, let's open this up some more. Right here, looks like we got some paperwork. If I had to make a guess, yep. And what else? What else? There should be, yep, there's a cool little SIM ejector tool right there. Look at that. It's all special with the Razer logo on it. That's pretty nice. So we can put this away for now. And yeah, right here we've got this little USB-C to headphone dongle adapter. Why? Because this bad boy, like a lot of phones in 2018, does not have a headphone jack. And then right here we have, what is this bad boy? Oh yeah, this bad boy, this must be the USB-C to USB-C cable used for charging it up. And if I am feeling correctly, yep, it's a textured braided looking cable. That's pretty nice. And then lastly right here we have the little AC adapter for plugging this into the wall and then getting that power into the Razer Phone 2. So we can just pull the plastic off that, and oh yeah, look at that Razer logo going on right there if you guys can pick that up. And yeah, now let's get to the Razer Phone 2. So folks, now I've got the Razer Phone 2 all nice and set up, ready to go right here. So first thing you'll notice is obviously the screen is on, so let's talk about that screen. The screen you're seeing right here is 5.7 inches. It's also a 1440 by 2560 resolution screen. But now probably the coolest thing about this screen is that it has a 120 Hz refresh rate. So basically what that means is that if you're like swiping through stuff or playing certain compatible games or whatnot, it's supposed to be really nice and buttery smooth. And yeah, another cool aspect of the Razer Phone 2's hardware actually happens on the back of this bad boy. See this logo right here, the Razer logo? Well, it actually supports Razer Chroma, which is basically their sort of like RGB light up color light show thing that they've got going on with all their different products, from keyboards to laptops and now even their phones. So I've been wanting to try that out, so let's do just that. So to unlock this phone, there's actually a fingerprint sensor right here in the power button, which is kind of cool. So I just put my thumb right here and let's see, just like that, unlocks nice and easy. And yeah, so if we come right here to the Chroma app right there on the home screen, let's see. So is it on now? Let's see what we can do. So let's turn it on, and it is on the breathing setting. So let's see. Oh yeah, look at that. And see, it's getting darker, and then watch, it's gonna get nice and bright. Oh yeah. And see, right now it is green, but like I said, it's RGB lights, meaning, you know, you can do, I believe it's like 16.8 million different colors. So of course Big Daddy Shane wants to see some Warenotice red on there. So let's see, battery consumption, let's make it high, and let's see. So, ooh, look at all those colors. So let's come over here. Let's pick a nice little red one. And yeah, plenty intense. Let's see, what does this button do? Breathing, static, or spectrum? I think I'll do static. So let's just make it 100% red. Come on, little guy. Over here, just static. And look at that. It is just a red Razer logo. Pretty cool, right? Looks kind of orange from this angle. Maybe I should make it more red. So let's see. Here it goes. Let's take a look at that. Oh yeah, look at that bad boy. Is that not pretty cool? This is a very cool new feature of the Razer Phone 2. This was not in the original. And speaking of new features in this bad boy is something else you'll notice. Well, more than something else you'll notice is the back. The back is totally different. Why? Well, for example, now it's a glass back, meaning it is compatible with, thank goodness, wireless charging. I do love phones that can wirelessly charge, so that is definitely one great thing. Another great thing is, as you can see, the dual cameras. They have this different redesigned layout. I think it definitely looks more sexy this way. It's a very sexy phone. One of my first impressions of it is that, well, it's a very nice built, sexy phone, like I just said. Feels very solid in the hands, feels very premium as well, which is definitely a good thing because this bad boy, it'll set you back $800. So yeah. And now let's play some more with this logo because it's pretty fun. So let's see what this spectrum does. So this effect features default colors that cannot be edited. Okay. So let's see. I want to see the spectrum. Okay. Let's see what happens. Ooh, is this a rainbow light show? I think it might be. Yep. Oh, yeah. Look at this bad boy. So right now it's looking sort of, what is this? Is this like green? Okay. Okay. Oh, look at that. Yeah, it's definitely changing colors. I think it's shifting through the rainbow. Oh, yeah. Look at that. It's blue. Oh, yeah. That's a very nice one. So just imagine this. You're like walking down the street with the phone in your hand, and look, it's like changing colors on the back. Now, if you want to impress people, that's going to impress some people, right? I think that's pretty cool. Look, now it's purple. I mean, this is pretty cool. I know there are a lot of cool things in this Razer phone too, but I definitely really like this chroma logo. Look at that. I mean, yeah. So that is, once again, very cool. So now we are back here again, and let's look at what else is new in this phone. Another new thing in this phone, actually, is it is water resistant. Great feature as well. It is IP67 water resistant. And another thing that we can take a look at in this phone is I want to go to the YouTube app. Why? Because I want to see how, well, video looks and how the sound sounds on this. Why? Because guess what? See these big daddy bezels going on this phone? They actually hide dual front firing speakers, but not just any dual front firing speakers, Dolby Atmos 5.1 surround sound compatible speakers. So that is pretty cool. So let's watch some YouTube.
This is my review of the BlackBerry Key 2 LE. Ooh, Warenotice on the baddest beat. Met a lot of people, but still don't know defeat.
So guys, those are certainly some powerful speakers. And yeah, the video on this screen looks very nice. So also guys, I was just listening to some music here on the Razer Phone 2 on YouTube and just watching a music video. And wow, those speakers sound really great for music. I am super duper excited to watch some more media, music, videos, all that stuff on this bad boy. But yeah, you should have seen me like jamming out to songs on this. This is a very nice phone. So next, what I think we should test out is what else? Just first look at this logo. Look at that, just change colors. It's absolutely beautiful. I can't say that enough. So anyway, next let's try out the cameras. Cameras, obviously an important part of any smartphone. So we can get to the camera app by swiping up, looking through our apps. Here it is. It's green. Razer's color is green. Allow. And yeah, let's see. So it activated the rear camera right here. We can take a picture of the Warenotice logo, just like that. Boom, and that's what that picture looks like with the rear camera. Now let us switch to the selfie camera. Let's snap a nice selfie of Big Daddy Shane on the Razer phone. So here we go. Smile. Cheese. And yeah, look at that. Certainly not a bad picture right there. Very colorful picture indeed. Look at that American flag on my chest. Very nice, very nice. So now before we end this video, folks, let's take a last look at the build of the Razer phone. We've already looked at the glass back right here. Plenty. So come over here to the side. We can see that they have this right here, these two volume buttons, the volume up button and the volume down button. We've got the SIM card tray right here. Then if we come over to this side, we've got that power button that we already talked about with that fingerprint reader. So you can just unlock the phone with your fingerprint just like that. And then folks, over here on the bottom, we've got the USB-C port. Once again, no headphone jack on this phone, so you'll be using this bad boy if you want to listen to some wired audio or for charging the device, unless you, of course, use a wireless charger with this bad boy. Now, inside the phone, it's got a Snapdragon 845 processor, as well as 8 gigabytes of RAM, and even a vapor cooling chamber to keep this phone not overheating while you're playing video games, which does make sense. That would be all spec'd out like that, plus with that 120 hertz display we've got going on right here. I love this display so far because, as you may or may not know, if you know Razer, they're pretty much like a gaming company, so this is supposed to be a gaming phone that you can also use as your everyday phone. That's why they added more standard 2018 flagship features to this bad boy, like that wireless charging, as well as also IP67 water resistance. So yeah, so far guys, I definitely really like the Razer phone 2, but this is just my unboxing, so if you want to learn more about it as well as my full take on it, definitely make sure you smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for my full review of this bad boy once I get that out. And yeah guys, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Warenotice out with the Razer phone 2 guys, and look at that logo go. It just doesn't want to stop. Bye.